So here today we are going to, again, I'm just explaining you everything. So might be someone not heard about the words clearly and the screen also not visible to everyone. So in the very quick and start, I'm explaining you today, we are going to explain the settings of Travio first, where I will show you how do you create your member, how do you give them the permissions, how your member going to log into the account, number one. Number two, I will let you know, explain you how do you manage your categories, specialization, hotels, and upload the packages for your website. Next, I will move to the homepage setting. How do you set off your complete homepage, like upload the banner? How do you upload the banner? What exactly the best practice to upload the banner for your website? What exactly the Google recommend you to upload a banner for your website? However, might be anyone if not develop the website through Travio, in your website also you must have to do this practice to make your website very lightweight and smooth so that the visitors can visit your website quickly. And I will explain you in Travio, there is option to upload the activities and the destinations. So I will let you know how do you upload the activities and destination for your website. Then I will move to the SEO settings. Finally, I will explain you and I'll give you the skills that I have, the best practice for updating the content for your website. Again, as we discussed in all, on average on every call, like that is a part of digital marketing. So I will let you know the strength of digital marketing. How do you going to update the content through Travio for your website, where the website is going to be help you to promote yourself on Google. And the best practice to update the content on your website with the sequence, in which sequence, yeah, how to write the content for your web pages, what exactly the best resolution for the images, etc. That everything I'm going to explain you for the SEO settings. Then finally, I will explain you few tools. However, you are going to install those tools on your Travio website so that you can get to know who is going to visit your website, what the rights to visit your website, what exactly the source to visit your website. So as Travio have started one mentorship plan, and 50 plus travel agency also joined our mentorship plan again. So might be few of now the travel agents, the travel professionals, they joined us. Might be they have adapted the mentorship plan as well. But so for them as well and for everyone. So the point is, who is you going to visit your website and what is the source? Is they visited from Quora? Is they visited from Facebook? What exactly they have written in the Google? How they visited your website? How do you track this? So that once we track this, once we start the tracking the visitors flow, we can concentrate our resources, entire efforts, and we can concentrate on that, and we can put the efforts in such a way so that we can grasp more customers, more visitors towards the website. Finally, I will update you what is exactly the benefits of remarketing concept. How do you update the remarketing code on your Travio website? We have developed the settings. You can upload very easily your remarketing code in your Travio website. And I will explain you what is the benefits of the remarketing tool. So let's start again with a settings menu, the member creation. As I explained you a bit previously, like just 10 minutes earlier, might be screen was not visible. So I'm going to explain you again. So might be you have a team, like now we have operation, accounts, sales. Now we have another team, that is admin. So here we have created a team, admin. This is exactly a group. What is a role? How we have developed in Travio? We have simplified the role permission system. How we have simplified? Now you no need to create the role with each member. Just create the role at once, because might be there 10 guys in your operation, might be 5 guys in your sales. So you no need to do the data redundancy. You no need to look at into your roles permission setting multiple times. Only create the member, allocate them role. You have to set up your role once at a time only. So now here I'm going to set up the role. Here I have added admin. Admin is a role. Now we are going to set the permission to the admin. Here we are going to edit the permission. So what are the things we are going to update to the admin? Admin can manage the CMS. So let's give them the permission. Entire CMS is accessible to the admin member. Now what else admin can look into the things? Admin can look into the all reports. Admin can look into the all settings. Settings, reports and CMS. Only 3 menus I have allocated to my admin team. So here what will happen? We will save this information we have submitted. Now once you move to the member section, you just create a member. Now we are going to create a member admin. Here I have created member Abhi. Abhi is the admin member. I'm creating the role here. I'm giving the access in the role admin. Now this is the menu. This is the form, member creation form. Whenever multiple member is going to join you, you can create only the member. No need to create the roles and the role permission each time. Every time you are not going to create the role and role permission. You just create the role, set up the permission at once, and again, every time you only going to map your role with the respective member. Now Abhi is the member to whom I'm going to allocate the role admin. I'm going to update here Abhi's contact number. Email IDs for Abhi. Password for the account I have to set. Now once we create the account, Abhi will get an email and SMS notification that account has been created, and they can log into the system and they can access to the system accordingly. Now here I have set the gender male. I'm submitting the information. So here user license limit exceeded. So here we don't have more license to create the role now. So I have created already the members. So that's why I am not allocated to create here. So here let's say 3 license user is given to the demo account. So here I'm going to, now if you guys going to face the similar issues, similar error, just you let us update. So there is nothing licensing cost we are adapting as of now. We are going to give you the pre-access for multiple users as well. Whatever the user you require, if you are anyone is facing these issues, this is not a bug, this is not an error, this is only a setting. We by default allocating you 3 member, including your admin. So this is the 3 member we have created. So as I have shown you, how do you control another's member account? How can you check what exactly they do? So this is the member account for accounts guys, Anil. So you are the admin. So now you can access the Anil account by clicking here, and you can check the Anil dashboard. So this is now redirecting me to Anil dashboard. So here Anil is the account. So accounts guys. So only the accounting information showing to the dashboard. No any other lead information, supplier information, nothing. What the payment they have to collect from the market, what the payment they have to release. So this exactly the settings we have provided to the accounts team. Accounts team only responsible to release the payment and receive the payment from the market. That's it. So however, the dashboard you are looking into here, the dashboard again is very customizable. However, you are going to give the permission to a particular role, that role will access the dashboard accordingly. So this is again a customizable dashboard for everyone. Like once you are creating a multiple sales member, only the sales member, X-sales member can look into the only his leads, only her leads. The Y member only look into the only Y's member's leads. Until unless you are not creating a admin account, they can only access their self leads, and the admin can access all those leads. This is how the system we have developed, the role management system. However, it's developed in every software. We have developed in the similar way. This is nothing new. This is nothing conceptual. This is very simple. As we had experience with the lots of software, the similar concept we have developed. Role management system, creating the role permission, create the member, allocate them the role. The dashboard is automatically designed according to the user's role, and the menus is going to be permit accordingly. However, we are going to give them the permissions. That's the first step towards the settings, how we are going to update the settings, create the roles and permission for the respective members. Again, I'm going to log into the admin account for this account. So now next I'm going to update you how do you update the package for your website. Before that, I'm going to visit your website. Your website something look like this or any other theme. So the concept is same for everyone. Only the themes is the designing is different. Might be someone have customized theme. Might be someone has customized website. Might be that there are lots of new enhancement you have done your website. But the concept of the package uploading is common and same for everyone. So here, if we move to the categories like international, like domestic, these are the categories. So I will let you know one by one things, what exactly the categories, how do you update the categories, what is the themes, how do you update the themes, how do you update the package, everything one by one I'm going to explain you. So here, just navigate through the package menu. Under the package menu, you will get to locate each and every menu that required to upload a package. Whatever you are looking here, categories, specialization, hotel type, room occupancy, room category, transfer type, packages, hotel room inventory, and manage hotel. These all are part of your package. These all are part of your complete itineraries. Whenever you are going to upload an itinerary to your website, you must have to set up your master tools first. The categories, specialization, hotel type, room details, transport type, these are the masters for your package. One time you need to upload the category, only once. What exactly the category is? Why we have introduced the category concept? There are only two things we have introduced the categories option. Number one, it's very simple to the user to allocating your products. If we are distributing your products into multiple categories, so it's very simplified to the end user, they can locate to our product quickly. Like if one of your customer is looking for international holidays, rather than we are landed them into a landing page where the all packages is going to be updated, it's better to landed them only to the international holidays. And again, what exactly Google says? This is the user prospects. What else Google says? Google says and URL. This is the website URL. So you create a user-friendly URL. Whatever the user is searching, you grouping your products, lying all products in a single page, and grouping all together package products and that product lying in a single page. So here, what exactly that? We have created the international holidays. So for this particular category, we can create the keywords. I will let you know the SEO settings. This is a landing page. This is called a landing page. What exactly a landing page? As much as different URL we are going to create through the system, those all different URLs called as a landing page as per the Google terms. Landing page is nothing. Landing page only whatever the URL we are creating through different tools. You are creating a package, again package is a landing page. So this is how much landing page we are creating in our website. We are going to update all those landing page in our robot.txt. You can write this term robot.txt again. You can remember it. You can write it. Robot.txt is very necessary for our website. There is option you can upload the robot.txt from your Travio backend account. You can upload the robot.txt. Robot.txt is a file. That file locating all your URLs. That file, the once Google have a crawler, Google have a bot. that is automated crawler that developed by the Google. That crawler visits our website, whatever the website that we have, like Travio.com is our website. So Google crawler, Google bot is going to visit Travio.com. And first task for the Google bot is to locating your robot.txt file. Nothing else, only the robot.txt file. Once Google found your robot.txt file, inside the robot.txt file, you must have to update all those landing pages that you have created. So once you are going to update a package, you are not only exactly updating a package to your website, you are creating a landing page. So once you are creating a landing page, your first task must be to add that landing page to your robot.txt file. So this is exactly your landing page. And always remember, I will let you know, I will show you how do you going to share the title tag, how do you going to share the meta keywords, how do you going to share the meta descriptions, what is the title, what is the benefits of title. I will explain you everything. Just remember, this is your URL. So your URL always must be same as the first headline of your website. This is the basic and the best and the thumb rule for the digital marketing. Whatever your URL line, whatever your URL consists of, your URL is consisting of the words best of Dubai tour. So in your website, there must be H1 tag, that is your header. The Travio website developed in such a way, you no need to read about anything. So your system is going to manage your H1 tag automatically through the bot that we have developed. Your bot in the backend is going to set your H1, H2, H3 tags automatically. But only the things you have to concentrate, that is your URL structure. You need to just think in your minds what exactly your user is going to search on the Google. If your user is going to search on the Google Dubai tour, so now Dubai tour, this is a word, this is a term. This Dubai tour must be lying in your URL. You must have to remember this. The three things now I have explained you, very basic things, thumb rules, you can locate, you can find out in Google everywhere. This is nothing new. I'm not a very skilled guys. I'm not let you know nothing new. It's a very basic concept. Number one is the URL name, the URL structure. So is the URL structure must be in such a manner that whatever your user going to be searched, you just put it into your URL. Now I am going to backend account. I will let you know how do you set up the URL when you are going to upload a package. Now this is a package, here lying the packages. So here, once you locating your package, let me edit one package. I will explain you everything through this package. So this is your URL, the Backwater Kerala best package. So now this is the URL. So this URL is going to be open how? Let me locate to the same package. I will update the content. I will let you know. I will show you the Backwater Kerala package for 3 nights 4 days. This is the package. So let us look at the URL is the Backwater Kerala best package. What you have wrote it here with a space, but the Google is not allowed the space. You no need to worry. Travio automatically replace the space, blank space with the hyphen. This is the Google rule. This is the basic rule of the Google. Your URL must be consisting of the hyphen, not with a space, not with any special character. So we have not allowed here. We had a like kind of validation. We are not going to allow you to put any special characters here in your URL. And again, I would like to request you, if you guys develop your website with someone else, just make this rule. Just remember this thumb rule. This is the very basic rules. This is the very thumb rule. Whatever you are going to update the content, if you are going to shell out your package in the 500 rupees, even if your URL is not enough good, your website never is going to be promoted by Google. Google is not looking into your website URLs. So this is a very basic thing, the URL first. First is the URL, first is the name of the package. Second is the title of your page. Always remember, in your title, you must have to add your company name. This is the brand. This is exactly Google is finding. However, we are doing like kind of the personalized mentorship. we first starting with a profile setup. So you guys also, I'm going to recommend you everyone, just create a profile and submit that profile with multiple websites. Whenever you are going to submit the profile in every website, you just mention your brand name. What exactly your brand name? Now our brand name is Travio. Google is always finding a brand name. So what exactly happening when anyone is going to be tagged? This is a kind of hashtag. So everyone might be everyone is aware about the hashtag. How the hashtag is working on the Facebook, how the hashtag is working on the Twitter. That everyone is aware about. So now the very basic simple thing you can consider, this is pipeline. After the pipeline, whatever the term we are adding, this is a hashtag for your entire website. So here the hashtag I'm using Travio. The title is the Backwater Kerala Tour 3 night, 4 days. Whatever I'm going to add it here in title the Backwater Kerala Tour, we can add like here Kerala Tour packages. This is only one single package, so we can best Kerala Tour package. So we have to just we have to set up in your mind. Nothing, it is nothing complicated. It's very simple. So what exactly the guys write in the Google? What exactly they are writing when they are searching on the Google? You can get it to Google Trend. In the last class, I have updated you about the Google Trend. You can get it from Google Trend as well. What exactly the guys are searching on the Google? So see, someone is searching best Kerala tour for couples. Per couple. So this is what exactly a keyword. Your keyword is must be in your title. This is very best practice. Now I have added your keyword Kerala tour. This is my primary keyword. So this is the this is exactly the term Kerala tour is must be appear in my here in my URL. So the Backwater Kerala best package here, I can change it to the best Kerala tour again. So now here the Backwater Kerala tour. Now let me update you. Let's see how the title is going to be updated in your website. So let me save and continue this. Let me skip other part. I'm not going to update anything into the other part. Let me skip everything. Let's save the information. Now, what exactly, how the title is appearing here, if you see my screen, the Backwater Kerala Tour 3 night 4 days hyphen Travio / Travio, the pipeline Travio. This is exactly appearing now. Let me refresh the page. I have updated something in my title tag. Let's see, is it updated or not? Yeah, it's updated. The Backwater Kerala Tour, best Kerala Tour for couples. Now the title tag has been updated. So this is called the SEO friendly. Now in every demo, whenever you have you got your product, or whenever we sold out you the Travio, we had committed you, we had explained you the website we have developed. This is complete dynamic. This is SEO friendly. Now today I'm going to a very deep what exactly the SEO friendly and what is the dynamic. This is called dynamic. Without support of any third-party resources, without accessing to the source code, you guys can update your title tag, you guys can update your URL, you guys can update the content of this package, everything you can update from your end only. So here, this the package is lying here. So I have explained you the categories menu, how the category is, the landing page for the category I have explained you, the where you are going to create the categories from the categories menu. Now we have two categories. We have created third category. If you want to create, just click on the plus button and create the categories. Once we create a category, that category is going to be appear in your website and under this category menu. So again, how do you upload the package for that particular respective category? Whenever we are going to adding a package, move to the package section. Here is a plus button. Just create, add a new package. Here just select the category. Now two categories there. Once we add the third category will be appearing here. So now whatever you are displaying here under the theme section, this section is called as your specialization. Family holidays, adventure, hill station, these are your specialization. This specialization is called here as themes. So however, For example, beach holidays. So now one more URL we have created. Why we are creating lots of URL? Because we can target lots of landing page. We can submit lots of landing page to the Google, and we can target lots of users with the different landing page. As much as landing page exists in your website, it's better for your website. As much landing page you are going to upload, Google is going to be prioritize your website. It's not enough that creating the landing page, it's a part to observing the Google. It's not enough if someone is going to create every day 100 landing pages, they will appear on the first page of the Google, not like that. But yes, you have to create the at least if you are going to target 100 keywords, you must have to update 100 landing pages. So this is what exactly the landing page we have created for the theme, and how the packages we have moved under to this theme. Here, once we are creating a package, let me again locate into the package. Let me edit one package. I will show you how exactly the theme we have set up. Let's skip the first section. This is the hotel section. This is the specialization section. Now we can tick it here. To which section you want to tag this package? This is again a specialization, again a hashtag. So which tag you are going to use for this package, you can tick it, you can save it. So now further onwards, this package is going to be appearing under all those specialization, under all those themes. So these are the steps for uploading a package. First step is the overview, where I have let you updated you how do you create the URL, what is the URL. I have explained to you the basic thumb rule and the best practice, how to create the URL, how to create the title, meta keyword. What exactly we have to write for the meta keyword? Whatever we have mentioned in our title, let's copy the same. And we can add more into the keywords. Best practice is to use 4 or 5 keywords with each landing page. Best Kerala tour for couple, best Kerala trips, travel agents for Kerala. I'm doing not doing the best practice here. Always you just use the small characters, not the capital one. Only title we are going to capitalize, but that is only to like visible is good, nothing else. There is no rule. But in the keyword, it's going to be appear in your backside of your code behind. So it's best practice to use the small characters only. That is not exactly recommended by Google, but yes, this is the industry practice. So here the travel agents, AGENTS, travel agents for Kerala I have added. So the best travel trips here, and like another keyword, anything like more keyword you can add from your side. What is OG tag? This is your open graph tag. So we will support you. How do you update the open OG tag? I will let you know the format. Whenever you are going to share your URL on Facebook, Google, on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, anywhere, you saw there is a title tag automatically appearing. There is a few content automatically appearing. This is exactly the OG tag is. So there is a format of OG tag. I will share you in your group. So you can copy that OG tag and you can paste it here. Let's submit it. Now we have updated the keywords. Now this is the hotel section. So how it's work? How the hotel section is work. Now first you have to create the hotel type. From your hotel type menu, like luxury hotel, deluxe, standard, houseboat, you can create as per your terms multiple hotel type from here. Like however we have created 9 types of hotel. If you are dealing with 3 types of hotel, you can update 3 types of hotel. If you guys operating different, like houseboat is not available for everywhere, but a houseboat is for like the backwater. We are using houseboat, so we can use the houseboat cruise, anything luxury hotel. Someone using the term luxury hotel, someone using the 5-star hotel. So you can add at your own, however you are going to update in your itinerary. So once you're updating the hotel type, this hotel type is going to be appearing like here. You can map the hotel to your hotel type by managing your hotel. By manage, just navigate to the manage hotel tab, where what you can do, where you can add your hotels, whatever your contracted hotels, what are the hotels that you have, you just update all those hotels here. Once you updating the hotel for a particular state, city, for a particular hotel type, now it's automatically going to be appearing here. You can edit it, you can select the hotel, whatever you have added. So that this particular hotel is going to be mapped with that particular package, and it will show how, let me show you how the package is going to, how the hotel is going to be display here in your hotel. This is the hotel tab. Whatever you have updated the hotels, that is going to be appearing here. This is all your hotel sections. So once we update the hotel, that is going to be appearing here like this. So let me skip, and this is the itinerary. This itinerary is going to be appearing here in the itinerary day 1, day 2. This is the itineraries. These are images, the gallery images that is appearing here. This is again your transfers, cabs, pickup, drop up, whatever you have, you can update them. That will be updated in your transfer sections of your packages. Then your package policy, that is the like description, inclusion, exclusion, everything that we do update from here. Package policies. This is appearing how it's appearing? It's appearing in the last section. Inclusion, exclusion, cancellation policy, important notes, activities like this. And as I explained you last time also, we have introduced one section, review section. So you guys please start updating the reviews for your packages. Just ask your guests to update the reviews on your package. Just mention some testimonials. That really is a very great practice. The things is going to be help you for the Google crawler to understand Google is now going to be used like an end user. So however, it's impacting to an end user. Similarly, it's impacting to the Google. So however, your customer is going to review, this is a very best package. I heard lots of good experiences with you. So Google is going to be prioritize your product. So it's better to make a testimonial practice. It's good because Google is showing your reviews a separate tag. Google have a separate tag for review. We have added that tag for review tag. And this is a very new kind of snippet. Google have introduced a concept like snippet. So similarly, like here, I'm going to show you one thing. The best itinerary builder software, once you write it here, once you just ask to Google, here Google is going to be reappearing Trabio. If you just voice call, just if you on the voice and just ask who is the best itinerary builder software in India, Google is going to reply you Trabio, and this is called the snippet concept. However, we have updated our snippet. We have updated those concepts to your Trabio website as well. Similarly, this is a review concept. Now in the Google, lots of review website is there, and lots of reviews going to be displayed by Google. Once you add in your review, we have added your review to the review tag. Google is going to be use those review tag for your website, and those reviews going to be considered by the Google, and you can have a good ranking on the Google again. So this is what exactly the website part for the updating the package. I have updated you everything. How do you updating the packages for your website? Let me repeat it again. First, you need to update your categories. Your categories is going to be appear here in your top menus. Then you need to going to update your specialization, then hotel type, then the room occupancy, room details is you no need to update. It's only required once you going to share the quotation. And in the next class, once I am going to update you in the next session, once I am going to explain you the lead management system, at that time I will going to explain you everything about the room part. Now in the package display system, we are not going to display anyone the room things. Once we are going to book a package, that time we are going to be use the room concept. So I believe everyone is now aware about how do they update the package, what exactly the URL structure is, what are the benefits of the categories, what is the specialization, how the specialization is going to be appearing on the website, how do you guys create the member, How do you guys going to locate them, the role permission to their particular member? How do you going to upload a package to your website? How the package is going to be appear on your website? So each and everything I have tried my best to explain you the basic concepts of the Google SEO friendly dynamic settings, package upload part, each and everything. If you guys still have any doubt, if you still have any problem, you please update me on your WhatsApp group. Everyone have a WhatsApp group. So the respective member, the respective the account manager is going to help you. If you guys not able to update anything, if you're not still you are not going to understand, still you need to learn more about the SEO settings, you please drop me a mail, you please share me on your WhatsApp. Definitely I will have a one-on-one class with you, one-on-one session sharing with you, and I will update you. I will let you know, I will demonstrate you what exactly the best practice for updating a content, updating a package. And you trust me, believe me, after updating a package in a proper manner to your website, you need Google page, so your website is going to be appear on the Google top 10 page automatically. So if you are going to target a very low ranking keyword, it's automatically, if you work on our content part only, it's going to be appear on the top 10 pages of the, not first page, top 10 pages anywhere on the Google. So however, I will show you that again. So you don't need to do anything else apart from this is the first concept. This is your first step towards developing your website. URL, title, meta keyword, H1 tag, content, updating, packages. Now here, see, we have written an overview section. Always you make a good practice, your overview section must be unique. You just, how do you check the duplicate content? Simply, you can Google it here, like I do it. Duplicate content checker. You will get lots of website, and the very good website is the small tool SEO. This is a free tool. This is the small tool SEO. However, you are going to be write the content, you just write it here. You just check the plagiarized. So this site will give you the 100% unique. Only the 100% unique content is going to be updated here in your overview section. Rest of the thing is okay. If we are achieving 70%, 60%, 50%, it's okay. Because we have added a duplicate C tag inside the itinerary tag. We have just allowed Google, we just update to the Google that we are going to use the product that might be used by another company as well. So we just use a tag for that. Automatically, Google is going to be adapt that inside that tag, this content might be this content going to be duplicate. So Google is not going to consider these are the duplicate content. But I would like to request you guys, please, your website must have a 20% unique content in each landing page of your package. So this package content must be 20%. So write off into 300 words, 200 words, one small or two small paragraphs, and must be unique content. Just write it, unique content. Try to make a good enough, better, grammatically correct. If not, no problem. Your user must be understand whatever you have written it here. Your user only see 2-3 things here. The price, what is the price? What are the different images I'm showing to you, you are displaying here, where they are visiting, and the basic content here, the overview section. This is what exactly, however the user visit your website, similarly Google also visit your website. Google also looking into all those things. If the things is good, then Google is going to be priority so that you can appear on the Google. That's it. This is a very simple rule. So this is nothing we can't do it. The system we have developed for you, we have developed a system where you can update the overview. We have developed a system where you can manage your title tag. So however my dream, however my concept is to make you a travel entrepreneur. However the things I had work with Make My Trip, however the things I have developed with Make My Trip, how the things I learned from multiple startups, multiple companies like Zomato, Urban Craft, and Make My Trip, and however the things I have implemented and I succeed in Travio. Similarly, I am going to train you on the same manner, how the guys you are going to update your content on the website so that you can have a good website and you can have a good ranking and you can have a Google enough good ranking. So this is what exactly my first point I have explained you how you guys going to be update the content for your website. Let me move to the next step. This is exactly the locating in the CMS settings. How do you update the destinations and the activity, and how do you moving to the destination? What exactly the destination? Why we have introduced the destination concept? Destination is the terms that we have introduced. This is for landing page. So whenever you are going to promote any particular destination, we have given you option, you please create a landing page. This is going to be profile for your company. Like your company is appearing, your company is dealing with multiple destinations like Munnar, Jaipur, Gangtok, Simla, Bali, Singapore, Dubai, Goa, yeah, and number of more destinations. You just look at it here, the CMS section, create the destination. Each and every page appearing the same thing, that is the SEO setting thing. Meta keyword, header, URL, title, meta description. These are all those tags appearing each and every landing page. However, we have updated you the destination page. This is a USP for Travio's website. So like here, I'm demo in each my demo, in each everyone from my team, they are explaining you the benefits of this page. So this is a landing page for your website, for your company. Munnar is your landing page. So however, you are going to update the packages here. This is a page like for example, for your end customer. Once you are going to share that the customer is asking you, please share me a package for Munnar. So what you will do? Simply share this URL. This is a Munnar profile. So create this page such a way that must be considered, that must be attractive. Like however, we have very simplified designing. We do a very simplified designing. The user can understand the banner for the destination. You can upload the banner from here. I'll show you how to upload the banner. These are the banners. 2 banner we have uploaded. So you can add more banner. Let me again briefing you. How do I allocate here? How do I locate here? Go to the CMS section, click on the destination. One list will be appearing, like this is the list. You just click on the plus button for adding a destination. You just click on the edit button for edit the destination. First section of the destination is the banner. The first section is come up from this section, select images. This is the banner section. The second option here, we are updating about Munnar. So always make a best practice, the major keyword, Munnar, Kerala, Cochin, the destination, the terms, the keywords must be in bold. Make a practice to make it bold, and you can make it bold from your backend. Here, this is the description section. You can update your description from here. What are the description we have updated? Like I'm updating here demo. Let me update it here, demo. Now you can see it's appearing here in your Munnar website. This is your Munnar website, sir. This is demo, appearing demo here. So here, let me edit it again. So you guys can edit anything. So this is what exactly I'm going to explain you. This is called dynamic. This is called SEO friendly. Here. Now what the content we have updated, the content we have updated, the description, the content we have updated the banners. Now what this part is covered, the banners and the description. How these packages is going to be appearing here. Now you need to move here the destination package menu. Munnar is the destination. I'm going to set up few packages, like 4 packages is appearing here. Let's add one more package, like Kerala backwater and beach, already added. Best Kerala package already, best Kerala 2 nights 3 days already added. to splendid Kerala already. I might be I don't have enough package in this account for Kerala, Jaipur tour, Kerala backwater. Yes, the Backwater Kerala tour, 3 night 4 days. Now I'm going to add this one. Just click on the add button. Now it's added. Let's submit it. Now you guys got it. Let me explain you again. Under the CMS menu, there is a destination package. So what we have to do, we have to simply create it here. Select the destination, select the package, click on the add button, click on the submit button. That's it. Now see, I've added one more package. Now in our website, one more package is going to be appear. See, now it's 5 packages showing me. Similarly, you can update n number of package, whatever you have, but I am going to explain you, I'm going to suggest you just update 4, 8, 12 like this, so that the designing can be looks better. Like now I have added 5 package, so here it's blank. All those 3 section is blank. This is not looks good. So how you are going to remove it? Let's click here, edit button. Let's remove one more standard tour Kerala 7 night 8 days. I have removed it. Let's refresh the page. Now you see, now you can see here, now see, now package has been removed. So similarly, activity is very simple. You just move to the activity section. You need to select the destination, under which destination you are going to create the activity. So automatically activity is going to be bind under that destination. Select the destination. Select Munnar. Create one activity. That activity is going to be appearing here automatically under the Munnar section. Here each and every details we have tried to capture for the activities. Transfer only, transfer include or transfer with price, no cancellation, show mobile number on print voucher, fixed ticket, whatever. If you are going to be transfer include, what exactly the transfer for 0 to 4 seater, 5 to 7 seater, 8 to 13 seater, SIC basis, each and everything for the this is the activity and this is a sightseeing. This is the option also. So which days it's going to be closed, what is the duration for this activity. So each and everything we have captured here in your activity section. So is it a sightseeing or this is activity? This menu can be used. So these all settings is going to be help you when you are going to create the quotation for your website for your customer. So this is what exactly the activity. I have shown you how to create the activity, destination, activity mapping, and this is your landing page, how it's going to be beneficial for you and for your customer. You need to create the landing page for each destination that you work. You just create your profile, have a good enough and better content, your unique content, make a better practice to update your COVID securities, COVID, like how is COVID impacting to that particular destination. You just COVID updates. You can make a line here, you can update your COVID updates to your end customer again. So this is what exactly the landing page concept is. So now I have explained you from the backend settings, how you guys going to be update the landing pages, destination and etc. How you guys going to be create the guys is going to be create the packages. So everything I have shown you. Now we are going to move the home page setting. Like here I have mentioned COVID special packages. So how we are going to update this content? Just move to the settings. Here is the CMS settings, manage homepage settings. Just edit it. Here is the section COVID special package. Now I am going to remove it COVID term here. Special packages. Let me update it. Let's refresh the website. Special packages. Now COVID terms got removed from here. These contents you can update. These packages is the special package. You can set it from your special package section. These are your special packages. These are your popular destinations. You can set your special package or popular destination from here. You can add more it from here. You can select any package. You can add it to here. Maximum 8 package you can show it here in a special section. So banner, these are the homepage banner that you can update from your CMS banners. You can remove one banner, you can add banners. These are the banner section. So the banner, you can update everything. The banner, these contents, these packages, these destinations, these themes, everything. This is the testimonial section. you are going to be control the testimonial section from your testimonial. Here is your testimonial section. Here you are going to be control your testimonial, activate, deactivate, edit, anything you can do. Working with Travio is a good experience. Whatever the content updated by one of my client, we just copied it, Nirbhaya. So we just copied it from Google and we just updated it. So for demo purpose, you can do it similarly. This is what exactly the content is. This is what updated from your backend. So this is how you are going to be manage your homepage setting. So I have explained you everything now. How do you guys going to be update the package? What exactly the SEO settings is? How the SEO settings is going to be best practice for your website? So lots of things I have explained you. If you have any doubt still, you just update me. So I will going to be update you everything on that. Rest I'm going to show you 2-3 basic things. Last I will take only 5-10 minutes more. Here, one term is the Google Analytics, Google Webmaster. You must have to add, just log into the Google Webmaster. Just Google it, Google Webmaster, add to your accounts. Click here, add the property. Go to the add property, add your domain name here. Click on the continue. The Google is going to be give you a code. That code must be updated on your website. What is exactly the benefits of the Google Webmaster? Now, as I explained you in my initial speech, whenever I have started this meeting, I have explained you guys can going to be update. Like now, Travio have 2 lakh impression. 2 lakh travel professional visited our website. They have had, out of that 2 lakhs, 3,000, only 3,000 customers entered into your website. 2 lakhs is the impression, 1,82,000 is the impression, 2,27,000, 2.27,000 visitors visited our website. Whatever the keywords they appearing our website, travel automation software, 405 impression. So now once I write this keyword on the Google here, see the website is appearing on the top of the Google. So here Google is going to be update you. Here Google is going to be update us. What are the different keywords searched by the major chunk of our customer, and we are appearing on the Google. Here we are appearing on any referral website. Guys are searching us through the keywords like travel automation software, itinerary builder software, travel CRM, travel API, travel quotation software, travel itinerary software, travel portal solution like travel quotation software. If I copied it here on the Google, see where Travio is appearing. Here Travio is appearing on the second link. So this is how do we identify, how could we work on this keyword? What exactly to do work on this keyword? For working on this keyword, exactly the create the backlinks. You as much as backlinks, just update the Quora, update the profiles, update the articles, create the articles on the multiple websites. Just create as much as backlinks, quality backlinks for your website. Before that, your website must have a landing page. Your landing page must have the same keyword like travel builder, itinerary builder software. Just type it, itinerary builder software. Why Travio is appearing here like this in the keyword itinerary builder software? Because Travio follow all the Google rules. That's it. Nothing else. No signs. This is the unique para, 100% unique. We have written it here. We add this para to the snippet tag. You just do it like that. Itinerary builder software is our page URL. Itinerary builder software. In your title tag also you find itinerary builder software. In your keyword also you find itinerary builder software. This is 5 thumb rule by Google. Title, keywords, URL, H1 tag, and your small description. These 5 content must appearing the primary keyword you are going to target. So definitely once you start creating your backlinks, you are going to appearing on the first page of the Google. No doubt. So this is the rule. This is the very thumb rule. 5 things you need to concentrate each and every time, and it's better to install anyone facing any problem to installing this Google Webmaster tools, Google Analytics tools. You can ask me. I will help you. How do your guys going to install this for you, and how do you going to check how many visitors visit your website, through which keyword they have visited you, how can you concentrate on the multiple keywords, how can you create the backups, create the backlinks for those keywords. Those things can be possible for you by you, and this is nothing required any technical skills to maintain this. This is what I have explained you to guys. How do you update the Google Search Console? This is Google Webmaster Tool. Google Analytics and Webmaster, these are the two tools we are using for the site health, website health checkup, website keyword visitors, the end users, how many end users visits, from which country they are visiting us. Lots of things like countries we can update here. India, they have visited 30,000 people's impressions is here. And in the United States, 44 the leads we have generated with 45 clicks we have generated from US, and 18,000 people visited from US. UAE, 1,200 people visited and 22 clicks we got. This is exactly the countries that Travio visible to them, and they are visited to our website. We can concentrate, we can create, we can generate, we can do the press release. Once we got to know what we have to do, definitely we can do. So this is a tool. The tool is going to be update you what exactly, where are you guys? Where is our website? In which keyword the visitors visits our website? That's it. This is exactly a tool for us to get update about our website. Lastly, I am going to update you about the remarketing concept. What is the remarketing concept? Remarketing concept is available for both Google and Facebook. If you guys, anyone working on the ad section, I will share this URL on the group, Facebook Ad Pixel. So you can go through this URL. You can get to know about everything about the Facebook Pixel. I just summarize you after reading everything. I have multiple articles. However, I have read out 10 articles whenever I enter to the Google Ad Pixel, the Facebook Ad Pixel. But I'm going to explain you in 2 minutes the entire summary of my concept. So the concept of the ad pixel is like you are going to create an ad on Facebook. The one click is going to be cost you 10 rupees. The single click is going to be cost you 10 rupees. Once you create this pixel and update this pixel on your website, once the visitors visit your website, to all them, if you are going to show the Facebook ad, Facebook is going to be considered 1/10 of the pricing from us. Like they will charge only 1 rupees. If this is a reference customer you are providing to Facebook, now the visitors come to my website at any source, through email marketing, through direct call, through WhatsApp marketing, through SMS marketing, through the Google search. Once the visitor visit our website, to all those repeated customer, to all those visited customer who visited our website, if Facebook is going to show them our ad, if they are going to be click on our ads, the charge is going to be 1/10 of the total clicking cost by Facebook. This is exactly the concept of remarketing. Remarketing means you start your marketing on your existing clients. So the remarketing is going to be create your value. This remarketing concept is going to be create your brand. However, you saw lots of advertisement multiple times you are viewing. So you are thinking sometimes you guys hear about the things, but still let me explain you that you guys might be thinking, someone call me, someone ask me lots of time, yeah, how the Facebook is doing this, how the Flipkart is doing this. Amar, you know one thing, मैंने ना आज सुबह फ्लिपकार्ट में जाके एक मोबाइल फोन देखा और वही मोबाइल फोन मेरा इंस्टाग्राम में आ गया. फेसबुक को पता चल गया, फ्लिपकार्ट को पता चल गया कि मैं मोबाइल फोन ढूंढ रहा हूं और वो मुझे ग्राफ्स करके यहाँ पे दे दिए और वो मेरा इंफॉर्मेशन ले लिए. मैं शूज सर्च कर रहा हूं तो मुझे शूज दिखता है. This is exactly the concept come up to the India in early 2010 by Amazon. So this is a very highlighted concept by Amazon. Like जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ वो मुझे दिख रहा है, so definitely I will buy it. So the creating the pressure, the creating the visualization power and the customer's brand. So this is exactly a very good concept. You guys can go through and deep into the remarketing concept. This is very beautiful concept, the remarketing. However, this is a very basic part I have explained to you. The very basic concept, two-liner concept I have explained to you. But this is a very beautiful topic. Once you enter to the remarketing concept, you will enjoy it. There is author Rhonda vlogs, written books. You can read out the books, the concept of the remarketing. So you can get to everything. How is the remarketing? How you can capture customer through the remarketing. The concept remarketing is going to be 1/10 of your entire investment if you are retargeting your customer, and how your customer is going to be create your brand. So this is what exactly the concept of remarketing. In your Facebook ad page, you can click your ad settings here. You can type it here just pixel, and you can create your pixel code. Just click it on here. One page is appearing. Here I have created my pixel, so it will show the Amar pixel. You can create your own pixel, Amar Fast App, Amar Kumar pixel. This is a pixel ID, and this code is going to be updated on your website. This is what this pixel ID is going to be updated on your website. That's it. Rest Facebook is going to be managed automatically. So this is what exactly I thought it for, to explain you, to update you each and everything about the Trabio's updates, how the Trabio update for the website and etc. I have explained you everything. You guys, if you have any question from anyone, I'm going to allow you. Please, you ask me anything. I will explain you. I have unmuted it, you guys. If you anyone want to ask me anything, you can ask me. You can write me. If you require any one-on-one session for this is what exactly major part is the Trabio things. How we have implemented the concept here in Trabio. That's I have explained you.
Hi, Amar.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hi, this is Vineet from Kerala.
Yeah. Hi, Vinith. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for the training. Anyway, as because of COVID, we all are in. So there is no business and all. So I had few queries about the business. I mean the website. Now I know a little bit about it. And thanks for the little bit of digital marketing. Really great. Thank you very much. You're putting a lot of efforts. Thank you.
You welcome, and I will just going to update you that lots of travel professionals started generating the business after the COVID. I would like to
Okay.
suggest you just please promote the things on Facebook, update the Quora. However, we are generating the leads, not lots of the leads we are generating for our clients as well for the mentorship plan. So they're starting generating 2-3 leads in a month. So someone getting 2 leads, 3 leads, might be Jackass, yeah, might be any other travel professional is with us here. They are starting generating 1-2 leads after promoting on Facebook and etc. So I would like to
Okay.
you guys please start promoting yourself. Definitely you will start generating the leads.
Yeah, I'll ask you one question. Like,
Please.
see, I have a fixed client who are, who work with me on cruise liners, and their references.
Yes.
Okay, so most of my clients are who know me. Okay, so and for, second thing is I resell the package. I take a package from a planner and then I resell it. If I'm doing so, how can I put that things in the itinerary thing? Do I have a like a PDF format or something which I can add and send it through the website or something?
Yes, you can. There is an option like you can create a services under Trabio. The Trabio option, if you look at that suppliers menu, there is a supplier and services. You can create a services. Under the services, you just mention a package service, and directly whatever the PDF, whatever the Word file, whatever the PDF you are getting from your customer, from your vendor, you just upload it and you just send to your customer directly. Just modify your name and send to customer.
उनको दे दो
You no need to add it.
Okay.
You no need to add the entire package here. If you are going to add it,
Okay.
it's the best practice
लास्ट हो रहा
for
है
you.
Q&A चल रहा है
But yes, you can update it.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Amar. I still have to sit a little
If
bit on
any
it.
problem, I will ask to your account manager. Sure, I just mentioned your name, so I will ask to the account manager. They will call you and they will explain you. They will show you the how can you do this.
Yeah, sure, sure, Aman. Most of the time, what happens is I will be traveling. Most of the time, I reach home very late. That's what. Anyway, this time I reached home a little bit early, so I would happen to get your sessions. Okay, but see, the business is not yet started. The tourism is very bad, but I'm sure in future it will be better. Then, if any questions, I will speak to the manager anyway.
Sure, sure, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Anyone else want to ask me any question? You please proceed and you can ask me. I'll clarify you. And also we will connect you with your the end to end account manager, personal account manager. So they will explain you the things. So I believe everyone got to know the basic concepts, whatever I have explained. The things is definitely help you. You guys please start updating the things. If the website we have developed, the Travio developed your website, so definitely it's great for you. So you can update it from the Travio tools. But rest all those things I have updated you. So how you are going to consider the things. Anyone going to ask me anything, you please ask me. So whatever my skills, whatever I know, I will explain the things. I will let you know everything. So thank you very much everyone for attending this session and giving me your valuable time to attending this session. And thank you everyone. Thank you very much.